Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today's video tutorial is about Cash App. So basically today I'm going to show you how you can buy a crypto or Bitcoin using your Cash App. So how you're going to do that. So for that, what you need to do is, the first thing that you need to do is on the left bottom corner you see the home screen. Click here, and after that you'll land on your dashboard or your home screen, whichever you want to call it. And after that, what you need to do is you would see this option called Buy Bitcoin. What you need to do is click on this, and after a bit of a loading this will pop up. Now the best thing about buying Bitcoin via Cash App is you can buy as low as $1. So it's good, and it's basically a great way of buying Bitcoin. So after that, the first thing that you need to do is to start the process of buying Bitcoin is verify yourself. So to verify yourself, what you need to do is click on Get Started or click on Buy. If you click on Buy, the first thing is going to happen is you are going to basically click and choose any other fund. Let's say $1 and click Next, and then after that it's basically going to start with the verification process which is required for you to buy the Bitcoin. So after that, what you need to do is you first need to enter your mobile number and then click Next. If I just enter anything randomly and then click Next, what's going to happen is it's basically going to load up, and it's going to send the confirmation, the OTP which we call it, onto that number. And after entering that number, basically what's going to happen is you're going to get verified, and then the fund is going to be, they're going to cut the fund from your account, and they're going to deposit the crypto or the Bitcoin that you bought or equivalent to the fund. Then it's going to get added to your account, and via that you can just keep it in your account, or you can go back and you can also see that you can also invest in stock and stuff. You can do that too from Cash App. So that's pretty much it. That's how you buy a Bitcoin buy Bitcoin from your Cash App. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to drop it down in the comment section. I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. And yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.